Nintendo fans, buckle up. The leaks we're diving into today are absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about Zelda sequels, unannounced Mario projects, Metroid Prime 4 final builds, Switch 2 backward compatibility, and even third-party collabs that will make your jaw drop. Yes, these aren't just wild guesses anymore. These are developer-level leaks, insider reports, and early access documents showing what Nintendo is planning for the Switch 2 launch and beyond. Before diving into the game leaks, here's a quick refresher on the Nintendo Switch 2 itself. Display, 8-inch 1080p OLED or LCD, depending on model, possibly supporting up to 120 Hz refresh rate. CPU/GPU, custom NVIDIA Tegra T239 Drake SoC, rumored to support DLSS 3.5, ray tracing, and advanced upscaling. Storage, 256 GB internal, with faster eMMC or NVMe-based solutions. Backward compatibility, confirmed by multiple insiders. You'll be able to play Switch 1 titles, possibly with performance boosts. Launch window, most insiders, including Nate the Hate and Jeff Grubb, point to a Q1 2025 release, possibly March, mirroring the original Switch's 2017 launch. Let's now get into what you came for, the games. A direct sequel to Tears of the Kingdom. Leaked NVIDIA document references Zelda EOTP 2025 target in DLSS testing logs. Supposed to fully utilize ray-traced lighting and dual-world mechanics again, rumored to involve a playable Zelda for extended segments. Launch title candidate or holiday 2025 blockbuster. According to insiders, Odyssey 2 has been in development since 2019. Leaked voice acting files and performance capture data indicate new kingdoms, including Cyber City and Dreamshore. One document even references multiplayer co-op, which would be a first for the 3D Mario series. Likely set to launch within the first year of Switch 2. Originally announced in 2017, the game has allegedly been moved to Switch 2 as the definitive platform. A Bandai Namco Europe developer listed Prime 4, Next Gen T1-2025 on a CV leak. Leaked images show more cinematic cutscenes, new biome-rich planets, and even RT-enabled suit reflections. New entries in internal Nintendo files mention a Luigi project, HH. Rumored to be more open-ended, with mission-based gameplay and real-time lighting systems. A surprise 2025 or 2026 drop is expected. While Pikmin 4 only just launched, internal server leaks from a Nintendo partner reference, P5 project, visual rework for DLSS sampling, could serve as a technical demo early in Switch 2's lifecycle. It's not just Nintendo going all in, third-party studios are flooding toward the Switch 2. Capcom's internal roadmap, from the ransomware breach, originally mentioned MH Next for a 2025 target. Multiple insiders confirm Switch 2 will get MH6 Day 1, possibly exclusive for 6 to 12 months. Expect open-world zones, seamless co-op, and ultra-fluid animations thanks to the enhanced GPU. Atlas insiders leaked that Persona 6 is targeting PS5, PC, and Switch 2. Reportedly launching with Japanese voice only, English patch will arrive later.